Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a checkbox name or rename it using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my field PDF front. I will change this checkbox name. Now select this from option and here you will find select option. Click the down and select annotation. Now click on the checkbox and select. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties option. And properties dialog box, go general option and this checkbox name. This one you can change it. I'll make it 01 serial number. Also you can add tooltip if you want and so on. And this is this checkbox name. Now change. And this is this checkbox name. Also you can change this one similar way and make it this is. In this way you can change all of the checkboxes name on your field PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.